Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be unboxing my Boxycharm Base Box for the month of May. Before we get started, my birthday giveaway just started, so go and check that video out. You can get entered at the video or down below, and of course make sure that you are subscribed. So typically when I start my Boxycharm unboxings, I do not have eye makeup on because we usually get a palette, so we'll get more into that when I get into this box. But today I am wearing the Flower Bomb palette from Midas Cosmetics, and I noticed you can do a really awesome pink eye with this palette. It's got so many different depths of pink and shimmers, and that's what I use today for my eye look. So I've been pulling that out a little bit more to get some use of that during these spring months. Can't believe it's almost summer with everything that's been going on. I feel like the time has been going by so fast. I did open my box up yesterday. It came later in the day, so it was too late for me to film at that point, but I did open it up and see what was in it. So the theme this month is Mother Nature, packed with gloves and, it says packed with gloves and love. And I do have box variation number 22. The first thing I want to show you in this box is the product I pick for choice. So every month in Boxycharm Base Box, you do get to pick one of your items. It's from one or two or multiple choices of things. So this month we either had the choice for the Elle Micellar Dynamic Resurfacing Facial Pads, which is what I picked, or a Glam Glow, some kind of moisturizer, I think. And I am on overload for moisturizers, so I picked up the resurfacing pads. These are powered by Elle Micallar's patented tri-enzyme technology, combined with a mild lactic acid and probiotic ferment complex to gently yet effectively smooth the skin, revealing a visibly luminous complexion. So if you've watched some of my videos where I talked about skincare, you know gentle exfoliation is a really important part of my skincare process. I do not do the harsh, dry out your skin exfoliator. I use daily gentle exfoliators. So this one though, I don't know if you use this one daily or if you use this one once or twice a week. Smooth pad over the face in the morning and evening after cleansing. So it is something that you could use daily. It comes with 60 facial pads, and I'm really excited to give this product a try. I do use a Neogen exfoliating pads. Those are ones that you use like bi-weekly, and I really enjoy those. So I'm excited to try this out. I think I said it's a $59 value. I don't remember. It's a $59 value. The next product I want to pull out is is the only product I'm going to be putting on today. And it is the iconic London Plumping Lip Gloss. I have gotten one of these before, but I got it in like a really dark burgundy shade, so I don't use it that often. A shade like this I will use all the time. It says the ultimate combo of non-sticky gloss and plumping power. The high shine formula is infused with a biometric peptide to help support natural collagen production for more defined and volumizing looking lips. Boy, these products really have got a lot of fancy words in their description. So let me put this on. I'm going to put it on by itself just so I can see what kind of color it has, but it will definitely be getting used on top of a neutral lip liner. Oh, definitely very minty. It gives your lips a slight pink look to it, which I actually think is really pretty. I would use this on its own, something that would be really nice just to keep in my purse when I'm on the go and need a little gloss. And this is in the shade Peekaboo, and it is a $26 value. Now what's interesting is I saw a picture, I'll actually put it up here. It had all the variations of the different things you could get in the Boxycharm Base Box, and it said that you would not be getting something you got before. So I think it is strange that I got this when I had already gotten it before. There was another lip product in there that I definitely would have preferred to have tried out, considering I've already tried this before, but it is something that I will get use out of. Next, I got the Pretty Vulgar Uncaged Eyeshadow Primer. Man, I should have put this on today. I did not. It is a blendable, lightweight skin smoothing formula that will enhance your eyeshadows by making them vibrant and long-wearing. Infused with mineral-rich clay to absorb excess oil and deliver a crease-proof, fade-proof translucent finish, that's suitable for all skin tones. This one's a $22 value. I'm excited to try a new eyeshadow primer. I haven't tried out something new for my primer on my eyes in a long time, so this is exciting to try out. I'll have an update for you guys on what I thought of it in my June Boxycharm box. Yeah, it definitely has like some thickness to it, but it shears out translucently. It will be interesting to see how vibrant the eyeshadows get, because I typically like to use something more opaque with my bright pastel, bold, colorful eyeshadows. So I'll let you guys know how that is in June's Boxycharm unboxing. I've got two more products. The next one is the Tarte Micellar Magic Makeup Remover and Cleanser. Well, that's kind of fun. I have never tried this one out before. This is a gentle no rinse facial cleanser that removes waterproof and long wear makeup, essential excess oil and impurities without stripping your skin. Let me see what the, oh, it's got one of those fun little, like you push it down to get it out. It doesn't really have any kind of scent to it. That is so fun though. This is not something I would ever go out and purchase on my own, but I think it's really fun to try this micellar cleansing water out. It's an $18 value for 6.4 ounces. Definitely way more than I would spend on a micellar cleansing water, but I'm happy to try that product out to see what I think of it. The last product that I got was the Violet Voss Essentials palette. Of the palettes you could have gotten in the Boxycharm box this month, this is probably the palette that suits me the best. There were a lot of neutral palettes. Actually, there were two Ace Beauté palettes, so I probably would have rather got those because they had some different colorful color stories to them. But I have tried out both the Ace Beauté and the Violet Voss formula. The other palette was from like Studio Makeup. It reminded me of the Naked or Reloaded, is that what it was called? Palette. And it was just way too neutral. So I got this one, and when I first got this, I was pretty excited to get it. This is what it looks like. The more I looked at it though, I realized I really own all of this. This really doesn't offer anything new to my collection, to my channel. I've tried Violet Voss. This is an older palette. I've got these shades. So I decided this palette would be going in a giveaway, which is why I used a different palette today for my look. So I will not be keeping this palette. It is a pretty palette. I love the Violet Voss formula of the ones that I have tried, but this is not going to add anything for me. So I'm going to give it to one of you guys that will definitely get more use out of it than I would. So that is a $29 value. So overall, about a $155 value. So Boxycharm Base Box is a $25 monthly subscription box. You get 5 full-size products, and I think it's supposed to be worth at least $125. So it was worth over that this month. So for every Boxycharm unboxing, I go through the box and I talk about what the product brings to me value-wise to my collection in terms of if I were to purchase it, what would it cost? Would I even purchase a product like this at all? Do I use this kind of product? Because I like to know if putting in the $25 is actually worth it to me. So we're going to start with this Elle Micellar one because I do use the resurfacing pads. I get them from Neogen, and I'm actually about halfway through the product that I'm on right now. I'm using the lemon one, and they come 32 a package, and I think they're around $20. So this one has 60. So I'm not going to give this the full $40 value because I think that these are different than my Neogen ones. So I'm going to say for me, this is about a $35 value. I would actually go repurchase those pads. I do use them once or twice a week. It smells very fresh. These are very small. So it's definitely like a one swipe around use. Now the Neogen ones are a lot larger, and it's two-sided, and one has a little bit more of a roughness to it to help exfoliate. So I'm going to say that this is about a $30 value to me. So the box is paid for, and I have already saved money in terms of something I would actually go out and repurchase. So next we've got this micellar cleansing water. I do use a cleansing water every day. The one I get is a lot cheaper than this one. I've got like a 23-ounce one, the L'Oreal one, for $7 or $8. So I'm going to say around a $5 value for me. I know this product costs a lot more, but in terms of what I would go out and spend, I'm going to say $5. So obviously this product has a $0 value to me because I don't need it. I'm giving it away. The eyeshadow primer also has a $0 value to me. I don't need it. I wouldn't be purchasing another eyeshadow primer right now. So I'm excited to try it, but it doesn't give the box value for me. So $0 on that. And the same with the lip gloss. I've tried Iconic London lip gloss. I don't need any additional lip glosses in my collection, so also a $0 value for me. However, even though 3 of these products have a $0 value for me, the box is still worth it in terms of these 2 products that I use all the time. So for me, this box has about a $35 value. I paid $25 for it. The only thing I'm really disappointed about with this box is I really wanted to try that House Laboratories or House Labs or whatever eyeliner that was in the May box for some people, and I did not get that, but I'm not as disappointed as I have been in the past couple boxes, which is really good. Now, while we're talking about disappointments, for the past 2 boxes, I've talked about canceling my Boxycharm Premium box, and honestly, with everything going on, time just kept getting by me and I forgot to cancel. I even last month forgot to get my choice item because it was just like, how did that date already go by 10 days ago? I don't know. I did finally cancel it, so I am not getting Boxycharm Premium anymore. I am looking for another box to get. I know I had a couple of recommendations, so I'm kind of researching past boxes from different subscription boxes to see which one would best suit me. The Allure one is on that list. I just don't know that I could go to Ipsy. I feel like Ipsy has too many random brand products that I just always, whenever I watch the unboxings, I feel like, oh, I'm so glad I didn't get that. So I'm not gonna switch over to Ipsy. There was another one that one of you guys recommended. Now I can't remember what it's called, but I'll have to go back to that and check that out. I did want to share some of my opinions on some of my products from last month. So in one of my boxes, I got the Wonder Beauty Mile High Club Mascara. Super disappointed to get this product. I absolutely love it. It is so beautiful on the lower lashes. It gives so much length to my lower lashes, and I have a really hard time finding products that do that. So I've been using this a lot on my lower lashes and really, really liking it. And then I got the Professional Hydrator Primer. I've been using it for a couple weeks now. This is not a product that I would go out and purchase. It's not a bad primer. I just don't feel like it works as well as a lot of my other primers do. So it's an okay primer. I would not recommend getting it. And you know, something else I noticed about these is they cost about the same price as other high-end primers, but they are only 0.75 ounces, and most primers have 1 ounce to them, so you're also getting less product in it. So I would not be picking this up. It has a similar texture to the No Problem primer from Touch in Sol, but I definitely like that one better. That one has a little bit more tackiness to it, so that one is a no for me. So those are the products I wanted to give you a little bit of an update on. Thank you guys so much for joining me for this Boxycharm unboxing video. If you are interested in Boxycharm, I will put a link below. There is always a free full-size item when you sign up with Boxycharm. So if that's something you're interested in, check out the link in the description box. I hope you guys have an amazing day. Don't forget to enter that giveaway before you leave, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!